Hi friends, we are yet here back with 1 BHK of Mr. and Mrs. Nayars at Dombivli West in Rajvaibhav NX. It has a magnificent view through his balcony. Mr. Nayars were unclear initially about their taste or how to go about the interiors. They were confused in their own zone. Our process helped them for achieving the clarity. We told our interior designers, Mr. Sandeep Kanojia and Ketan, both helped them to follow our process, and through our process, first step of exchanging images and then explanations, they understood what they actually wanted. Eventually they got complete clarity on their kind of interiors, what style of interiors they actually needed. So here we come to their safety door. The brief was they wanted wooden laminates as safety door because developer had given them doors which were not of wooden kind, they were white off-white doors. So we used wooden laminates as safety doors. We surprised them along with the white laminate, white core laminate. We gave them strong SS jali and a good Euro Godrej lock. Here also you would find that they had a liking towards nature, so they installed and customized landscape paper. Now we come into their living room. In their living room you will find their TV unit. We have used again pastel off-white and greyish tinge laminate with few textures here and there in that laminate. Simple, elegant, just gave few niches with lightings for their artifacts, and stark dark sofa to cut the entire monotony of the living room. The sofa was in cobalt blue color. It had cloth on it. They had 1 BHK, so they had problem when guest came in. So we suggested them to go for sofa cum bed. They were afraid the sofa cum bed would not look elegant or be more comfortable. We explained them how comfortable is that. This is how sofa cum bed works. It is very easy to operate. Anyone can operate, and at least 2 to 3 guests can sleep on this sofa cum bed. Now they had a brief that they required temple at right hand side of the living room as soon as you enter it. So we gave them again temple in that same pastel color laminates with CNC cuttings to enhance the temple look and give an earthy vibe. Moreover, we used same CNC cutting in false ceiling. Ceiling was also not very loud. We kept it understated, just an periphery ceiling with lights. That's it. Now, as I explained you that we tried to merge exterior with interior, that is with help of landscape, that got merged in their balcony area. Their family enjoyed to spend maximum of their time in living and balcony area. So we also wanted to give them our best so that they were happy to spend more time there. So we merged that with artificial vertical landscape and lawn. We again gave them an PVC ceiling of wooden texture to hide the lights. We gave them concealed lights in them, and then we also did an paneling on wall to conceal the AC piping. But entirely that gave an gazebo kind of look, that gave an exterior terrace kind of look. It made hall extended till balcony. I would say it was an extension of living room. We also provided them seamless grills, that is invisible grills, so that their view was not obstructed at all. Now after leaving, we go to the passage area. They had a corner, they just had a tap connection for washing machine. We suggested to take their washing machine elsewhere in bathroom, and they had we made a multi-utility wash basin area there with a storage below. Now they are happy that they did that decision, because that is the most useful area in entire house. They got to get to wash hands after dinner, they get to brush, they get the functionality of bathroom has reduced due to a basin outside. After that we come into the kitchen area. Again in kitchen area we had same colors, that is pastel colors, but we suggested them to take darker color below the counter area, because that gave and differentiating cut line, as their platform was black and their dado tiles provided by developer were very dark. We surfaced that dark with a white off-white laminate and profile shutters with transparent glass as display area. They also required lot of storage, so we covered the three side of loft with a lighter shade of off-white metallic area. This entire kitchen was made in our factory with edge-bended finishes, with profile handles, G-section handles, which you can see. We have provided them with tandem fittings of IPCO and equivalent. See how smooth these tandem fittings are. You can give thali rack, you can give cutlery rack in drawers. These drawers are multi-useful. You can place your dabbas with groceries in these racks, and they are really very soft touch in use and very nice in for a longevity of your kitchen, use of your kitchen. After this kitchen, let us go into their bedroom. Again in bedroom, the same pastel colors, English colors, what I call beige colors, but we convinced them to take mirror to add an element into that beige. That is a three-door sliding wardrobe. In this three-door sliding wardrobe, we have a middle section as mirror. We now, to add longevity to this wardrobe, we gave T-putty in between. We place same T-putty in mirror as well. That gives and total longevity kind of paneling kind of look to entire bedroom. So we had an overhead unit above this three-door wardrobe, which is four-door overhead unit, which is helped with and Maruti pump hinges, what you call in slang language. After that we come towards the bedroom, bed area. Bed is also in beige. We did not keep the bed edges sharp. We cornered it, and it is an complete liftable bed with storage below. Towards the right side of the bed we gave a dresser. As you can see, this dresser, lot of storage can be accommodated in this dresser. To give an connectivity to entire room, we gave a ledge which comes above the bed and which acts as a display ledge as well. So this compliances entire house of Mr. Nayars. They were very happy to receive this kind of house which they did not even imagine. First of all, they were happy that they got their clarity, they got what they really wanted. So they say that their dream has come true. To make your dream true, contact us below, and do not forget to subscribe for such videos and good wonderful ideas. Thank you.